Hey everyone, this is Anirbande, second year MBA student at NBMC Darjeeling. I'm back with my second video of the playlist. In this video, we're going to be talking about location, city life, and transportation. So let's start. Located in the vicinity of Kanchenjunga, this is a very beautifully located city, and all kind of stores to purchase whatever you like, be it Zudio, be it Pantaloons, be it H&M, be it Zara, or be it West Side, and all kind of food outlets, be it KFC, Domino's, McD, uh, Starbucks, MCD, like all the premium biryani houses, and whatever you wish to eat, you will find it here in this city. You are interested in extracurricular stuff, well and good. You will find your swimming classes, guitar, piano, flute, badminton, gym lessons, all over the city. The college is barely at a distance of around 20 minutes from the railway station and 20 minutes from the airport. That is how strategically the college is built around. Yes, it is on a little outer aspect with respect to the main city. Still, all the daily eatery and the essentials are well within the walking distances. And for transportation, like daily transportation, if you want to use public transportation, then there is this magic vans and the e-rickshaws and the autos running throughout, like almost 24/7, I can say. The location is so great कि आप किसी भी दिन आपको मन नहीं लग रहा है, छुट्टी का दिन है, you take a bike, you take a scooty, you ride to the mountains, you watch the sunrise, you watch the sunset and be back by the evening. And every weekend you will find people either booking car or like cabs, और हर ग्रुप का हर वीकेंड में प्लान बन रहा होता है कि समटाइम्स दे गो एंड विजिट कार्शियांग और दार्जिलिंग और मिरिक और कालिम्पोंग और Duars and all these scenic spots, all these beautiful tourist locations are well within our reach कि आप सुबह जाओ एंड शाम तक लौट के आ जाओ. एंड इतना ही ज़्यादा ब्रेड एंड बटर हो गया ये टूरिस्ट स्पॉट्स कि अभी एज कॉलेज स्टूडेंट 2 साल बाद हमें जाकर के ये सारे स्पॉट्स जो कि टूरिस्ट स्पॉट्स हैं, दे आर वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, बट सिंस हमारे लिए एक्सेसिबिलिटी इतना आसान है इन जगहों का कि हमारे लिए वो चीज़ एक बहुत नॉर्मल सी हो गया है, जो कि शायद पहली बार आ रहे टूरिस्ट के लिए बहुत स्पेशल फील हो. And to talk about the weather, so definitely college North Bengal में situated है, तो definitely weather is going to be much better than what it is around in South Bengal. गर्मियों के महीने में yes there is summer, there is heat, but ऐसा नहीं है कि बांकुड़ा या पुरुलिया जैसे शहरों जैसा यहाँ पे गर्मी पड़ता है. It's like reasonable only. And winter months are quite chilly. For the city life, there are plenty of pubs and clubs and like places where you can enjoy your nightlife if you are someone who is very fascinated about dancing and enjoying and partying and all those stuff. So like Siliguri basically एक ऐसा शहर है जहाँ पे हर तरह के लोग, even if you're a nerd, you're someone who wants to party all night, you are an adventure freak, you love sports, or you want to learn the extracurricular lessons, the Siliguri city provides you with everything. And the campus in itself इतना बड़ा है, इतना huge है कि कहीं ना कहीं आपको मन लग ही जाएगा. And also the fact that जब बच्चा पहली बार इस कैंपस में आता, जब मैं खुद पहली बार इस कैंपस में आया था, आई वाज लाइक काफ़ी बार ऐसा हुआ है कि मैं कैंपस में आके खो गया हूँ. लाइक सो इतना बड़ा है कि इस कैंपस एक्वाइंटेड होने में आप सभी को समय लगेगा, बट इफ़ यू कम टू द कैंपस आई कैन मेक श्योर दैट यू विल एंजॉय इट टू द फुलेस्ट. So that buses around too. So this is all about campus, the city life and the transportation. Thank you all. See you in the next video.